source can be on any display. 4. You can have any source on any display. You can have the same source on all displays. The other thing that passes back and forth is IR in and IR out. So what you do is this lives in your closet with your cable box, your satellite box, your DVD players, that kind of stuff. Yep. And because our TVs have IR pass through, you can send a remote control command to the DVD player to skip the next chapter. This will send out the IR out of here, flip it through there, so you don't have IR bugs hanging here, IR bugs hanging there. It's all built in as part of the system. Plus, this box also can learn up to 10 commands for each input, 10 commands for each output, IR commands. So if you're using a touchscreen system, you come in RS-232 here and squirt out those IR commands to something that maybe doesn't speak RS-232. You can also stack up multiple units because there's a loop through for every input on here, and you can stack multiple units for 100 display exhibits. You got it right, because it's not, you don't need a PC to program all this stuff. It's really easy for the sports bar program to run. If you want to use a control system, you're ready to go with RS-232. It's really easy to integrate. It's just one run of Cat 5 each display. And on the other end, you get this wall plate here that's got your YPVR and the IRs on here. And those becoming, the removable card slot on those will be an option plug that takes the place of that plate. So you can write straight into the set with the Cat 5. So there's all your video and your IR with one piece of Cat 5.
Very good choice of movie.
It's been a trade show staple for a decade.